to get here.
Yeah.
Guys, today we are ready to announce our big launch on September 2nd at 8:30 in the morning. We will proudly present to you our brand identity.
Yes. Guys, we're very excited. We're going to show you our new logo, a new website, and the final versions of our social media channels. And on top of that, we're going to present to you a short introduction video that will explain everything you need to know about the Ripple.
Yay, so see you on September 2nd.
See you then. Bon Simon, guys.